You gonna lay there, buddy? Okay, good job, Griffin. Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm gonna be unboxing some plants from Plant Delights Nursery. I did a video with Tony Avent. I guess it went up about a week ago. I actually have some other upcoming content with him and some of the employees at the nursery, so I'm excited about that. They actually have open house weekends, and their first one of the year is next weekend. So you're gonna see another video with me and Tony before that open weekend. But I asked Tony to send me a few things. I've never actually ordered anything through the mail from them. I've always gone to one of the open weekends and bought anything that I was interested in buying. So I'm excited to open the box and see how they ship their plants. Again, love mail order plants. I thought this was is this the appropriate tool? Which of these is the appropriate tool? I don't even know. For opening this size box. I think it's this, the bypass lopper, the perfect tool for getting into a box. Yep. I'll link the bypass lopper box cutter option down below in the video. Just kidding, actually. Let's see. All right. So when you open the box, there's a paper on the top of it to keep anything from bouncing around. And then it looks like they have the plants individually wrapped in paper like that. Okay, and then I've got two other pieces down here at the bottom. It's like a separate box. It's like a box within a box is what we've got going on here. And there's actually a heat pack in here. I guess this was to help with the shipping, just in case it got cold in transit. Let's open the piece that's in the paper first. They're well wrapped, well enclosed. I know the three pieces I'm getting, but I don't know what particular one is in this paper. Man, they do a good job of sealing these things up. A really, really good job. Okay, this is my agave. Okay, all right. This is an agave ovatifolia, packaged incredibly well. They wrapped the plastic around the container, and then they rubber banded. I need some rubber bands. I was looking for a rubber band the other day and didn't have one, so now I got some. They rubber banded a piece of plastic around the container to keep the soil from falling out of the edges of the container, and then they wrapped it in the cut up paper, and then wrapped it in this other piece of paper. And almost certainly, if there's anything in the box that would have needed the heat pack if it had gotten cold in transit, was this agave. So this is a beautiful plant. Really, really nice. So I'll just take these couple pieces of tape off of this, and I can recycle all of this paper material pretty easily after I dispose of the tape. All of these paper products can just go together to the recycle bin. Okay, and then they have this really nice box right here that looks like they can put these are probably 3.5 inch pots that go into these. This is a nice box, and they've got there's little tabs here that slide through to the front to release them. Okay, and the first thing I'll pull out is a new Rodia Japonica. That thing is really in there. I'm probably missing some other way that it's attached. Oh yeah. There's a tab on the back as well, right there, that holds that pot in place. Beautiful. Okay, so this is a Rodia Japonica. I've got two varieties, and I actually got them from MrMaple.com with another mail order delivery that I had. And I like mail order plants, local nurseries, my local garden center. You know, I'm kind of equal opportunity. Luckily for me, I have a lot of people that work in the trade, so I can shop at some wholesale nurseries as well. But kind of an equal opportunity, you know, if I can find something that's unique, you know, or interesting. And here you go. This is a Rodia Japonica Gunjaku. Really nice tags on all of their that come in all of the plants, zone information, light shade to shade, so gives you some instructions there. And if you haven't been on their website, I've used it for a resource in the past, whether ordering plants or not. Tony has a lot. Tony and others there, I'm sure, contribute to a lot of the articles on the, if you want to learn about agave, that website is one place to go to. I mean, you just learn a lot on that website. Okay, and last up, I got a new Epimedium. I know how to unlock them now. I got a new Epimedium called Pink Parasols, and excited about this one. It's already flowering. Mine are a little, still have that kind of burgundy winter look on them in the front garden, but they do bloom super, super early. This is a great, for those of you who are looking for plants that will reduce the amount of mulch you're using in shady spaces, Epimedium are just great. They show up in a lot of my tour videos with people who have, very, very nice landscapes. But again, here's the tag on this one. It's Epimedium grandiflorum, and this variety is called Pink Parasol. So again, this is going to be another part sun to shade plant. So Griffin couldn't stay still, and now Holly has somehow usurped the position. In the box was a packing slip and some history of the garden and the and information about the botanic garden, and kind of the role of the nursery, funding the plant garden, and also fundraising for the garden's future as well. And then which you'll learn more about over this series of videos with Tony as well. And then something on all their open houses for the year, and then a plant care guide, which also includes information on recycling and that kind of thing as well. So lots of information in the box. Interestingly, all three of these plants are kind of one of those things that if you be careful of buying Rodia, because you'll end up, there are hundreds of named varieties of Rodia, and they're all super, super interesting. The variegated ones tend to be a little bit on the greener side when you first get them, and as they mature, their variegations show up. Same thing with cast iron plants with aspidestras as well, but Rhodias are something you can definitely end up with an addiction to. Agave, same thing, just so many interesting ones, and you can go through their catalog on plantdelights.com. Just an amazing assortment of them that are hardy here in Raleigh, North Carolina, and of course all the way through the desert Southwest as well. And then Epimedium, same thing. There's just so many interesting varieties with really, really complex flowers that are quite intricate, quite beautiful foliage on these plants, and generally they're evergreen. Most are evergreen, and they keep a really interesting winter look to them as well. So there you go. There's my unboxing of my plantdelights.com order. So thanks to Tony and folks over there for sending me something. I'll be there, for sure on one of their open weekends coming up. And again, you're going to see a video before that takes place as well from their place. So thanks for watching. You got it? Dude, you're weird. Okay. We got it? Huh? Yeah. Okay, you going to behave? Don't do anything weird over there, okay? All right. Welcome to HortTube.